and that's 50 years from now. Now this is one possible future. It doesn't have to end up looking quite like this. We don't quite know how much the water levels will rise or whatnot. But one thing we can do is look at maps and see how it changes over time. So between 50 years and today, how has the island changed? Smaller, yeah. Your home is a lot closer to the beach as well. On the other hand, my home, which is that purple smiling face, unfortunately is underwater. And that's happening right now to many different parts of the world. Some places are like islands and they completely disappear, but there are cities as well near the oceans. And whenever there are storms, the higher water gets pushed up that much more and causes flooding where it didn't happen before. So let's see what continues to happen on this island 50 years further on. This is another 2 lines of water. And I'm afraid your home might... Yep. Yes, I'm afraid your home is now underwater. And the island is quite a bit smaller. Yes. And that's, say, 100 years. So, this is one possible future with the water levels rising from the oceans. But one way we can, and one way we can make maps like this and see how the Earth in the dry land changes in response to the rising ocean levels is with satellites. We have a whole fleet of satellites up in space, launched by both the United States and the European Union, as well as Japan and other nations now. They're sending satellites that constantly go over the Earth and take pictures using radar as well as cameras and whatnot. And this one, Jason 3, which is depicted by this toy, was launched quite recently, 2016. So they're constantly going over the Earth, and that information is being made into maps, just like that. And by seeing how things change, not necessarily over 50 to 100 years, but say day to day, month to month, you can see how the weather is changing and how the Earth and the oceans are changing with it. So maps just like these are the maps that scientists and engineers use in order to depict how the Earth is shaped, how the ocean is, and so on. And satellites are one way we do that. Satellites are one way of making these maps and seeing how the Earth responds to rising sea levels. Is there anything else you want to see or any questions you want to ask?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. どうもありがとうございました。シェイシェイ。バイ。本日もビデオをご覧いただきましてありがとうございました。水を使った簡単な実験だったんですけども、いろいろの地球上の変化を観測している人工衛星はすごいですね、と思いました。これからもいろんなビデオをアップします。どうぞお楽しみにしてください。